Here I have Sony Xperia 1 Mark III, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So to add a Google account, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the account section, tap add account and select Google. Of course you'll need internet connection to add Google account, no other way. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last, what you'll have to do is to tap accept here, and after that account will be added. So if you want to remove this account, just select it here and then tap remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.